Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, CodeWithAR. Today, we're gonna explore microbit. So it's a website where you can type on Safari or Google, and you can do two things. So first, you can do it in block programming, or if you want, you can do it in Python. Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about the microbit more. So here on the right side, you're going to see a microbit. It's a small thing which we call a microbit. And then on the left side, you're going to see things what you can learn from. So here you will see display. So you can write this down for you can see how you can display things. And buttons, how you can learn about the buttons here. Loops you can learn about, and ideas here you can learn like a motion batch how to do, and step counter, like how many steps have you done, activity picker, send a smile, dice, clap lights, all music, everything you can learn from here. And okay, so I think let's just get started. Okay, so first, on line number 4 here that I have right now opened, we're gonna write counter because we're gonna define we are gonna define a variable. So we're gonna write counter. So and we're gonna name that variable counter. Counter. Counter space, and then we're gonna do equals 0. Enter. Now we're gonna do a start. We're gonna write while, and we want it to be true. So and after that, we're gonna write true. Now we're gonna call it. Enter. Now we want the 0 to display on our microbit. So we want it to stay in the middle for on the microbit over here. So for that we're gonna write display, which is written over here. You can even click here and check. So display dot show, and after show we're gonna do brackets. Inside the brackets we're gonna do counter. Okay, and now enter. Now we're gonna want to code the how do you call it? Buttons. So these buttons A and B. So now we're gonna write if. We're gonna start an if statement. If button button A dot was pressed. Then colon. Brackets. And then inside the brackets you got to do nothing, only a colon. See, it's like it's saying over here, missing colon. Boom. Okay, enter. And now we're gonna write counter equals first space and then equals counter then plus 1. Now if you try that, it's plus 1 every time. And now we want it to minus from B. Okay, so now enter. Now we're gonna go a little back, and we're gonna start from here because we want to go with this while. Okay, so Now we're gonna write if. We're gonna start another if statement. If button b dot was underscore press brackets. After brackets, we have to do colon, enter, and now we're gonna write a counter equals counter space -1. Now we see so 1 and it's minusing. See, we are almost done. Now see, so if you press B, it's not being a double, like it's showing first minus and then 1, and we don't want that. We only want it to go from 0 to 9. But then if you press more, then it'll be 1 and then 0, because it wants to represent 10. But microbit cannot do a double digit number. So we are gonna do code in between here. So if then counter exclamation mark means not equals to, and it's 0. Now we put a colon, and we want this counter to be inside the if. So I just press tabs and it's here. First I put it on this line and then tabs. Okay, now we're gonna go to if but underscore a dot was underscore press colon brackets and then colon, and now we're gonna enter because we want next line. Now what we have to do is counter if first we're gonna do if another if statement. If counter less than 0, 9 space 9, then colon, and then we go here again and then press tabs and it's done. Now let's try the game out. The counter out. So is it going more than 9? Nope, it's not. And now is it going less than 0? No, it's not. So that's it pretty much for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.